Should be something here for me. 1601, right here. You just slap the label on it. Doing this a little bit late. Practice my reserves and then the walk. I haven't even gotten done walking yet. Oops, I accidentally hit the touch screen. Grab it out. There it is. Oh, that's cool. You might recognize this because I had the red version of this. Oh, is this? Yeah, this is multi-candela too. Yeah, I had the red version, but of course, lost and can move. And I think it was 24 too, like this one. Or it might have been 12. I was able to get it going off 24. I mean, 12. Oh, blah, 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 blah. 9-volt battery. Here, let's see. Oh. Yep. Let's see here. Yeah. Got this from SpaceJunk 72. I think he has this on his channel. Kind of wanted a white one. It was ironic too because I was searching for fire alarm chime strobes. And I think, boy, it'd be nice if a white one came up again. And here it is. I'm also getting a Genesis with the blue strobe from him too. Should be coming next week, I'd say. Maybe the end of this week, we'll see. That's definitely been on his channel in a system test. So anyway, yeah. Again, I think I've shown you the tones that this can do, and I think he might have even done it too.
Have a good day.
I just got here. I mean, just left. Did just get here. Here for a bit. This. All right. Device 2. A couple days later, of course. So let's go upstairs. Yep. Sounds like our old dog Pixie. I think you've seen her. Oh, that's right. I took that video down. If you've been a long time viewer of me, you might remember that video I had of Slideshow by Cat Mariah. She's in that. She's a little teacup Pomeranian. It's Genesis, but you might notice something down there. It's dark. Ooh, that ripped. Blue strobe. Nice. And yeah, it's just a strobe only. All right. All right. See if it'll power with just one quote-unquote 9-volt battery. I'm not sure how good it is. Nope. Plus you're not seeing it because it's there. Snatch the battery from my chime. I got one flash. Oh, that's pretty much it. That's it. They're kind of old batteries. I'm not even sure if you even saw the scroll either. Not really old batteries, you know, like kind of a 70 smoke one, but still old. Yeah, I doubt this is going to be good. We're going to try though. Get the old college try, as they say. Again, I got one flash. Here, let's just do this. Alright, we're just going to power it up with a little adapter. Along with the deets. Sorry. And it slid off. It's actually got a lot lighter blue than I thought it would be. The flash is a lot lighter blue than I thought it would be. But it's still cool though.